Welcome to Introduction to PPC Advertising, part of our comprehensive PPC Advertising course within the Digital Marketing Training Program. In today's lesson, we will explore the fundamentals of paid search, discover how targeting specific audiences can drive success, and break down the core components of effective PPC campaigns. As we journey through this lesson, you'll encounter clear definitions, engaging storytelling, and visual aids such as charts and diagrams that clarify concepts. Get ready to build a strong foundation in PPC and digital marketing. PPC, or pay-per-click advertising, is a model where advertisers pay a fee each time their ad is clicked. This scene explains that PPC is not about paying for ad space up front. Instead, it's performance-based, ensuring you pay only when a potential customer shows interest. We'll use simple definitions alongside diagrams that illustrate the ad auction process in keyword bidding. Understanding these basic principles is critical to developing campaigns that drive targeted traffic and measurable results in the competitive digital marketplace. In this scene, we dive into the mechanics of paid search. When a user enters a query, search engines trigger an ad auction based on keyword relevance and bid amounts. A dynamic diagram will display the step-by-step process from keyword selection to ad placement, making the flow easy to understand. We'll also highlight key metrics like click-through rates and cost per click, supported by relevant data sets. This explanation helps demystify how paid search connects businesses with interested audiences at precisely the right moment. Targeting specific audiences is at the heart of a successful PPC campaign. Here we discuss how demographic, geographic, and behavioral factors influence ad performance. Through engaging storytelling, we follow a marketer's journey refining audience segments to reach the ideal customer. Supplementary charts illustrate audience data sets and segmentation strategies, emphasizing that precise targeting reduces wasted spend and boosts conversion rates. This scene lays a solid foundation for understanding how personalization and relevance drive better outcomes in PPC advertising. A winning PPC campaign relies on several core components: effective keyword research, compelling ad copy, optimized landing pages, and strategic bidding. This scene outlines each element with clear definitions and practical examples. Diagrams and flowcharts visually connect these components, demonstrating how they work together to capture and convert traffic. You'll learn why every piece, from the initial search query to the final conversion, is essential for success. This integrated approach sets the stage for more advanced strategies later in the course. Using charts and diagrams, this scene visually represents a typical PPC campaign structure. A detailed flowchart illustrates how ad groups, keywords, and landing pages interconnect within an overall strategy. We'll explain each section using clear definitions and provide real-life data sets that reflect industry averages for performance metrics. The visual aids help simplify complex processes, ensuring you understand how each part contributes to the campaign's effectiveness. This scene reinforces the importance of planning and structure in delivering measurable results. Let's explore a real-life case study where a local retailer dramatically increased foot traffic and online sales using PPC. We narrate the retailer's journey from initial setup to optimization and highlight key milestones such as improved click-through rates and conversions. Graphs and data sets display performance metrics before and after PPC implementation. This story not only explains the theory behind PPC, but also demonstrates practical results, making it easier for you to envision how these strategies can be applied to your own campaigns. In this scene, we showcase a walkthrough of a popular PPC management platform. Using website screenshots, we highlight critical features like dashboard analytics, keyword planning tools, and bid management interfaces. These visual references serve to familiarize you with the digital tools available for managing PPC campaigns. We explain how to navigate these interfaces and leverage built-in data sets to track performance. This practical demonstration equips you with the know-how to begin exploring PPC platforms and sets the stage for hands-on practice. Another real-life example focuses on an e-commerce business that successfully scaled using PPC advertising. We tell the story of how targeted ads, precise keyword selection, and constant optimization led to exponential growth in online sales. Charts illustrate conversion improvements and ROI trends over time, while relevant data sets support these results. This scene underlines the practical benefits of a well-executed PPC strategy and inspires you to consider similar approaches in your own digital marketing efforts. Effective PPC management requires robust performance tracking. Here we explain key metrics such as click-through rate, cost per click, conversion rate, and return on investment. Diagrams and data sets help visualize how these metrics interrelate and impact overall campaign success. Through real-life examples, we demonstrate how regular analysis informs adjustments and optimizations. This scene emphasizes the importance of data-driven decision-making, ensuring that your PPC efforts are continually refined to achieve the best possible outcomes. Optimization is essential to maximize the impact of your PPC campaigns. This scene covers A/B testing, keyword refinement, and landing page adjustments with clear definitions and real-life examples. Visual aids, including charts and diagrams, illustrate the optimization cycle and how incremental improvements lead to significant gains. We also share data sets showcasing before and after scenarios to reinforce the benefits of continual testing and learning. This practical approach empowers you to adapt your campaigns dynamically for sustained success. Managing your budget effectively is a cornerstone of PPC success. In this scene, we outline strategies for setting realistic budgets and controlling bids. Diagrams illustrate bid strategies such as manual versus automated bidding, and data sets provide insights into average costs and budget allocation. By discussing the trade-offs between cost and performance, you'll learn how to maximize returns while minimizing waste. This practical guidance ensures that you can confidently manage your PPC spend while driving optimal campaign results. Let's follow the story of a small business owner who leveraged PPC advertising to overcome market challenges. This narrative highlights the struggles, strategic pivots, and eventual success achieved through careful audience targeting and continuous optimization. Visual storytelling elements, including timeline charts and performance data sets, bring the journey to life. This scene not only motivates, but also reinforces key concepts such as targeting, measurement, and adjustment, showing how theory translates into real-world application and success. In this summary scene, we revisit the key points covered in our lesson. We define PPC advertising, explain how paid search works, and emphasize the importance of audience targeting. Core components such as keyword research, ad copy, and landing page optimization were explored, along with the significance of performance tracking and budget management. Visual aids, charts, and real-life case studies reinforced each concept. This concise recap ensures that you retain the foundational knowledge needed to build and optimize your own PPC campaign successfully. In our final scene, we reflect on the tangible benefits of mastering PPC advertising. With a strong foundation, you're better equipped to drive targeted traffic, increase conversions, and achieve measurable ROI. This lesson not only enriches your theoretical understanding, but also provides practical insights you can apply immediately in real-life campaigns. Embrace these strategies to enhance your digital marketing toolkit and drive business growth. Thank you for joining this journey. Now take your new knowledge and make an impact in the competitive world of PPC advertising.